November 2023, a Florida deputy shot at a handcuffed man in the back of his patrol car after mistaking the sound of a falling acorn for gunfire.
My car back. I've been asking all night, can I get my car back? Like, I don't care about the argument. I don't even know what the argument is about. I just want my car. I don't want to deal with anything. I know anytime we get into it, whether I'm right or wrong, he puts his hands on me or he threatens to put his hands on me. It gets very violent. There he is.
In your car or walking up?
He's walking.
She's pretty much like, we're in a relationship, arguing, conversation. Yeah.
Pat him down, please.
What's that?
Pat him down.
What I'm getting patted down for?
Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Okay.
What I'm getting patted down for?
Because you're getting patted down.
Why?
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, I don't have no weapons on me. What's that like that? This is cute. Don't got no weapons on me.
Hands on your pockets. Okay. So, what's your side?
I ain't got no side. I ain't got... Whatever she said is what it is. So whatever she want to do, let's do it. And see how far she want to take it.
Where is her car?
At her mom's house,
Let's see how far she want to take it.
He's saying he just turned over her mom.
Mm-hmm.
How far you want to take it? I'm not sure.
What do you want to do?
I want my car.
Okay, I think it's at your mom's house is what he's saying.
How did he get here if it's at my mom's
I know.
house?
Can you call your mom to see if the car's
Coming here.
Just coming here, okay?
Yeah. My car is not here. I mean, at my house. And I don't see it anywhere in the vicinity.
Did you have her look around? Detain him, please. I need an affidavit from you. Okay?
Where's that?
That's where you're filling out that you're wanting to pursue charges. Okay? Where's our car? Where's our car, Marquise?
Can I talk to her?
No.
Can I talk to her more?
Mm-mm.
Her keys are here. Her keys are here. Can I give you her keys?
I'm sorry.
Have you ever filled out an affidavit with us before? Okay, so the suspect is going to be his information. This, where it's the narrative, that's going to be what happened, the incident, okay? And then all of this is going to be your information, all right? So don't sign this until I swear you to it, all right? Okay? If you have any questions, get with me or get with one of the deputies, okay? And don't listen to what he's running his mouth right now. Just let him run his fucking mouth. Okay. Also, need to provide her information about an injunction.
I guess it's saying the car's ahead of him.
I don't remember.
I'll read it off to you. So it's 850. It is 917.
When did I call?
From where mom, the car's over there.
No, mom said that the car is not over there at her
My mom
residence.
is on her way here.
Okay.
But mom said car is not there.
Car is not there.
Okay. So let's see if we can find it. Let's see if we can find it. Get the picture. If she'll give it to you, because it does. It looks like a silencer pushed up to the dash area. If you want to go ahead and transport him, I'll stay here and get the affidavit.
Okay.
And then, just because you mentioned that.
I'm sorry,
You're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
Is there anything else I need to fill out?
So if you can tell me what the vehicle is and how much you think that it's valued at.
Like how much I paid for my car?
Yeah, or how much you think that it would value at right now.
Okay.
They got it?
Okay.
They found it.
Where is it?
1656 Hunt Club over here off MLK.
Heather Glen.
Is that the other place?
That's those apartments. Like on that one road where the two gas. He must have walked. How far is that? I mean,
I'd say
walking,
about 2-3 miles.
Walking it's a little minute, but driving it's not too far.
I'm pulling out beautiful search term. The beautiful search term.
Shots fired!
What? Oh! Where? Right there? Jesse, are you okay?
You know. I'm hit! What? I'm in the car! I was shot through the car! Oh! I'm good.
Okay. 43 SO. I need EMS. I need EMS on standby. Suspect is going to be in the vehicle.
No!
Where are you hit?
No!
Get back!
No!
Get back!
I don't want anybody to do anything, please! No!
I might have hit my vest.
Okay.
No!
Get back! I'm not going to tell you go! Get back! Get back! Get her and get her back now!
No!
Stay inside your house. Stay inside your house.
Do you have any movement? Stop right there. Stop right there.
Stay inside your house. Stay inside your house. It might have hit my vest. I don't know. But
I'm not. I don't know. It felt like it.
Jesse, move over to me. I got you. Move over to me. Jesse, come back. Mark vehicle right there.
Dude, am I hit?
Come on. Let's get further back.
Hernandez resigned from his position. The Okaloosa County Sheriff's Office released body camera footage and an internal affairs report.